Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an album in Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on your screen, you're gonna find photos that has been backed up previously and the photos from your phone. Well, on the bottom of your screen, you can see Photos, Memories, Library and Search. Go to Library. There you're gonna find Favorites, Locked, Archive, Trash and New Album option. Tap on that New Album option. Add a title there. Once you add a title, you have to select photos from the Google Photos or the phone. I'm gonna select a few of them, then tap on Add. Well, that's it. Go back. You can see a new album is added on your Google Photos. And guys, that's it. That's how you create an album in Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.